Hello. Uh, we want to learn together about the biomedical analytical chemistry. I read it from this book, and because of the copyright of the writer, I don't read for you all of this chapter. I just read just some part, and I tell you and I show you that uh, some part of that. And because that this chapter is so useful, I tell you that this book is so good. Buy it or use it from the library as a reference. That is so good. This particular aspect of analytical chemistry is the outcome of the unique amalgamation of the principle and techniques of analytical chemistry and biochemistry, and was initially termed as clinical chemistry, but is more recently and more descriptively known as biomedical analytical chemistry. Presently, both serum and urine assay are being used extensively in diagnostic medicine, which evidently signifies that the pharmacists of today should be fully conversant with the ever increasingly important techniques of biomedical analytical chemistry. It is, however, necessary to make a passing reference to microbiological assay and the hematological assay also being carried out in a clinical laboratory. Thus, it should not be treated under this topic since these methods are outside the scope of biomedical analytical chemistry. A classical example of SGOT pass episode: patients suffering from tuberculosis TB, when diagnosed with para-aminosalicylic acid PAS or PAS, invariably showed elevated serum levels of the intracellular enzyme serum glutamic oxaloacetic transaminase SGOT, which was initially considered and treated as a drug-induced hepatic toxicity. Later, an extensive and intensive studies revealed this to be an absolutely false diagnostic. In fact, the apparent enhanced SGOT levels were actually caused on account of the interference of PAS in the SGOT assay. Various biomedical assays are being profusely cited in current scientific and research journals, such as the American Journal of Hospital Pharmacy and Clinical Chemistry. It has been established beyond any doubt that analytical interference can only take place when a drug or its resulting metabolite happens to interfere with the analytical method adopted for the assay. In order to have a comprehensive account on the various aspects of biomedical analytical chemistry, we may have to study the following four methods of assay with the specific emphasis on their principle and application, namely colorimetric assay, enzymatic assay, radioimmunoassay, and automated methods of clinical analysis. In this book, first explain about the colorimetric assay in a very good methods by a lots of formula algorithms. Then it's go to the colorimetric assay biochemicals. Explains a lot, very good as a references also. Then it's go to the enzymatic assay. It's also explained very good and nicely. You can use it as a reference. Go by lactate dehydrogenase also. Then it's go to the radioimmunoassay, ion assay, this competitive protein binding assay. As a theory also is explained, and by salient features of the radioimmunoassay explain it. And then it's go to the cortisol in the plasma as a theory. It's gain us such a pictures of this, and automated methods of the clinical analysis as a last part. and it's very, very good explanation. Everybody can understand it, and also has such exercises and recommended reading also. You can use it to understand it deeply. Have a good time. I try to explain it for you, but because of the copyright rule, I cannot. Thank you so much. Bye bye.